Johnny Plumber here from Gotbackupofficial.com, and I'd just like to make this video to show you what's going on today. Today being April 7th, 2025. The headlines are screaming based on what's going on in our world today. So if we jump over here online on the NBC News website, it says here that stock plunge again as Trump tariff continue to reverberate throughout the markets. If we turn over here to the ABC website, it says US stock plunge as tariff rattle markets worldwide. And the New York Times website, it says Wall Street slumps further as Trump defends his tariff. On NPR, it says global stock market in meltdown on fears over Trump tariff. So just like to spend a few minutes here talking about business and how this affects us, whether we're doing a brick and mortar or we're working online. It's going to affect us in one way, shape, or the other. What are some of the things we can do to protect ourselves against things like trade wars and tariffs and all those things that's going on? So there's this website over here, TechCo. TechCo is asking the question, what do Trump's new tariffs mean for US drop shippers? You're talking about shipping, drop shipping. Anytime we're doing any kind of a business where we're working with a physical product, if it's leaving this country, going to another country, or leaving another country, coming to this country, we have several factors we have to consider. So amidst taxes, amidst shipping and handling, now we're dealing with tariffs. So that means everything, if the tariffs are higher, everything will raise. And so what can we do as business people to protect ourselves? Who's gonna shoulder the high cost of doing business internationally if we're working with physical products? These are the questions business owners need to ask themselves. All right, so on this website here, right, it says how Trump's tariff plan could reshape digital advertising and e-commerce in the US. There's a business that I'm a part of that is not affected by tariffs because it has a digital product. It's presented to us by a tech company right here in the United States. There are people all over the world doing this because it's a global opportunity. And because it's a global opportunity and a digital product, then tariffs have no effect or very little effect upon this business. And so the business that I want to share with you, it's called Gotbackup. And so I want to share with you a short 2-minute video of the CEO of our company talking about Gotbackup and introducing it to the world. Nobody introduces it better than he does. So I'd like to encourage you to watch this short 2-minute video and tell me what you think about the information that is shared.
Give me just 2 minutes to explain to you what this amazing opportunity is all about. First, let me ask you a question, and I know it's yes. Do you own one of these? Yep, there's 8 billion of them on the planet right now, or just about. Digital storage is becoming the new oil. What do I mean by that? People are addicted to their selfies and their videos and everything else. They're addicted to their PowerPoints and their contract. Everything is going digital today. People spend money buying 2 billion cell phone cases for their phone to protect the phone, but nobody knows how to protect the most important part, which is all the data and all the memories in your phone. So what's this opportunity about? For less than $10 a month and a 75% payout, you can back up every single device that you have for you and your whole family, 6 different accounts. And it doesn't matter if your family lives with you or they live in another place. As an example, my daughter uses it for her work, but she doesn't live with me. So imagine for less than $10 a month, backing up every single device for your whole family, all your mobile phones, all your computers, all your tablets, everything. When people hear that, they go, wait a minute, Joel, you're telling me that for less than $10 a month, my whole family legacy, memory, contracts, videos, my selfies, my favorite pictures, my favorite video memories are backed up in a safe place for good, and I can collaborate with that with my whole family and people outside? Yes, that's why we're exploding in over 116 countries instantly. It's an amazing opportunity that anybody can afford anywhere in the world. You just opted in and you're watching this video. If you go over to view my power line in the next minute or two, you're going to see other people that opted in to watch this same video, and it's going to grow and grow and grow. That's how fast the company is growing. Then we move people from the power line into the binary where you start making amazing income. So here's an amazing opportunity that is needed in the world. And if you want proof of that, just look at Dropbox. Go to Dropbox.com. They don't have a business opportunity attached, and they have 700 million users. That shows that there's a need for secure cloud storage that you can collaborate in as well. So take a look around this whole members area. It shows you just how secure your data is, and you're able to start a home-based business for less than $10 a month. I look forward to working with you. And again, if you have any questions, just hit the contact us and reach out to us now.
So here we have a digital product that we use that benefits each and every one of us. We get 6 terabytes of space on the cloud. You can have up to 6 different accounts, 1 terabyte each, to back up all your pictures, videos, contracts, important files, and data onto. It's securely stored on an AES 256-bit encryption military grade system. No one can break into this. Your files and your data is 100% protected. So besides using this product, you have the opportunity to share it with others and to get a 75% payout. There is a network marketing structure attached to this business. So yeah, I share this with others, they share it with others, and as far down as this goes, I'm getting commissions up the line coming up to me. And some may say, well, it's a pyramid scheme. No, everyone that comes into the business of the opportunity to earn. There are many people in this business that are not earning because they're not doing the business. And so it's up to you whether you want to do it or not, but you have an opportunity here to actually get a product that benefits you. And if you decide to do the business, it's a recession-proof business. It's a tariff-proof business. And it's going to get bigger and better every single day. Because with the advent of AI and more digital products on the market each day, we need more and more space. It's a fact. Dropbox has over 700 million customers, as Joel shared with you. They don't have an opportunity attached to their business. Just think about those 700 million people when they find out that there is a company doing something that's costing way less and actually paying out more and doing so much more. It's a no-brainer. So I encourage you to look deeper and deeper into Gotbackup. If you need more information, go to gotbackupofficial.com. You can direct message me and I will reach out to you to share more information with you to help you to be able to come into the business and to benefit the way in which many of us are benefiting from this. Again, Johnny Plummer saying, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you on the other side.